Galen Dion served as a line-breaker of the Iron Warriors Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. A member of the Lord of Iron's elite Tyranthikos bodyguards, the so-called Dominators of Perturabo, despite centuries of peerless service, were humbled during the Battle of Phal. Bested by the Imperial Fists commanded by Captain Alexis Pollux, the Sons of Rogel Dawn infiltrated the Iron Warriors' flagship, Iron Blood, managing to breach the Hammer of Olympia's inner sanctum before falling in battle. Their failure to prevent the 7th Legion from endangering their Genesire, requiring the Tyranthikos to surrender their responsibility to safeguard their Primarch. Their position would be filled by the automaton Domitar robots, the Iron Circle. Redeployed to the Grand Companies as little more than heavily armored infantrymen. Among them, Galen Dion yearned for a chance to redeem his name and the favor of his liege. Vowing to undertake a feat of immense martial prowess under the command of Siege Captain Askari Valkar, Galen refused to allow his former glories to be buried and forgotten. Laying siege to the Cadmean citadel of Hydrocaudatus, held by the 42nd Imperial Fist Company and Chalcidian Grenadiers, Dion warned Siege Captain Valkar that a direct assault without weakening the fortress with bombardment and siege works could prove costly. Galen's advisements ignored by the Lord of Iron and Captain Valkar due to his creed's diminished status, the subsequent assault of the 33rd Grand Battalion, though managing to breach the outer gates, was thwarted by an Imperial Fist Forge Lord, commanding a retinue of Castellax robots. Stoking the Tyranthikos' intense hatred for mechanized infantry established by the Iron Circle, Galen and his kinsmen charged into the fray, fueled by spite and fury. Enabling their 4th Legion brethren to redouble their efforts, the battle, regardless of the Dominator's valor, devolved into a stalemate. 2/3 of the 33rd Grand Battalion perished or wounded as Galen called for reinforcements. Attempting to depose Valkar's command by force, the siege captain anticipated the Tyranthikos' mutiny, but could not prevent his disarmament by Dion. Bringing the siege captain to be judged by their Primarch, the Dominators delighted at the sight of his body being torn to shreds by the Iron Circle robots. Yet the Lord of Iron gave not a hint of encouragement, nor recognition for their actions. Ordering his automatons to break the Cadmean citadel where his own sons had failed, Galen Dion never redeemed his honor, as his Primarch continued to replace his most competent but flawed sons with unfeeling machines. His Tyranthikos destined for obsolescence.